Hey there! Today, we're diving into the world of drones with this fantastic beginner-friendly model, perfect for kids and adults alike. This foldable quadcopter comes equipped with a 1080p camera that can be manually adjusted to capture stunning aerial views or inspect hard-to-reach areas. With features like voice control, gesture selfies, altitude hold, and one-key start, flying this drone is a breeze, even for novices. The package includes 2 rechargeable batteries, offering up to 24 minutes of flight time, so you can enjoy extended adventures without interruption. You can control it using the remote or your smartphone via the Hitterbo FPV app, which also unlocks additional features like trajectory flight. Plus, with cool tricks like 3D flips and headless mode, this drone promises endless fun and creativity. Just remember to calibrate the gyroscope for optimal stability, and you're all set to take your imagination to new heights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.